This is a Chicago lock. It was issued in Air Force basic training in 1960. I have a lot of tryout keys for it. It's a two-sided key. There are pins on both sides of the lock. So it takes these double keys, and I got about 20 of them or so. And none of them fit the lock or will open the lock. They fit but don't open. So I'm able to pick it now. The secret was to use 2 tension bars and pick one side. Then move the tension bar over to the other side. Or get a second tension bar and keeping the tension on the first side. I'll put another bar over here. Transfer off of that side and work on this side a while. Been using the worm and the S rake. Here's the S. Snake rake. There it goes. Chicago. Takes 2 tension wrenches to do the deal. Peace. Don't break the lock.